Welcome to the Cryptoteacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who bought the books, Cryptoteacher and WO book, also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are blowing the store up, much love. Now, guys, of course, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Now, guys, basically, Bitcoin, of course, pulls back. And what happens? XRP and Ethereum rises up like I advised you yesterday. Why? Because basically, it's all based on dominance. And we saw that Tether did what? Got another pump. So Tether is now at 15 billion. And when Tether moves up like this, what normally happens? XRP follows right behind it. And a lot of times, XRP jumps Tether. So guys, make sure we're looking out for that. Just like I said, basically we're definitely going to get a pump. And then of course we have election and everything is going to pull back. Everything is going to pull back, guys, because they have something in store in November. We know this. We already know it. But we're definitely going to get a pump in the crypto market. Of course, when we pump, of course, XRP is going to lead the way. Now, why do I say XRP is going to pump this month? Is what? The court case. Of course, they're going to have to say something about the court case. And the fact is that we know, of course, Ripple XRP is part of the central bank. So we know it's not a security. We know that announcement is going to happen. That's going to automatically give good news. It's going to automatically pump XRP. But it's like I said, XRP is that synthetic stablecoin that's going to run this whole platform. Now, basically getting over into programmable money, we have IBM that has a patent. Guys, this is what I tell you is that these cryptos are not for you. Remember, I tell you this, these cryptos are for the robots. But just imagine when you can program this money. We already heard R3 CEO say you can put a time limit on it. Or you can tell what you can buy and what you can't buy. That's the scary part about this crypto, because it's going to happen. Plain and simple. That's what this crypto is about. So do not let this out of your mind. Do not forget about that. So if I can control what you buy and sell, that's what this crypto is headed to. Now, guys, we have Coinbase Pro and Binance US is actually going to be having the Uni token, so from Uniswap. So guys, make sure you are claiming your 400 Uni. Of course, if you may have more, this depends on how many addresses and also the liquidity that you provided. But make sure you get that free money, guys. And just think about it, guys. All the forks and everything that I've got free money off of, you cannot get free money in this old system that we have. No brick and mortar bank is going to give you free money. It's not happening, guys. And the crypto market is free money everywhere, guys. Everywhere. Just think how crazy that is. Because the Fed, has to put this money somewhere, but this is going to shrink up. Take advantage of all this staking, this yield farming. You know, all this stuff that's going on, guys. Take advantage of it, because it's not going to last. That's the reason why I'm going to be doing the stock channel. And of course, that first video is going to be tomorrow. Now, we have Ripple CEO talk about the India ban. Guys, what do we see from all these banks and CEOs? They're always talking about Asia, Africa, Asia, Africa, guys. They don't say anything about the United States. They don't even care anything about the United States. Why? Because that is the emerging markets. And that's another reason why I'm doing the crypto channel. Yes, we're going to start off in the United States, but I'm going to slowly move you over into the emerging markets, because that's where the money is going to be. We see all of these projects, these crypto projects are overseas. They're not even in the United States, guys. Not even in the U.S. Basically, we have Bitcoin ATM surge 87% in the past year. Basically surpassing 10,000 globally. Now, that's not a lot of ATMs, but we know ATMs are going to be a thing in the past. We know the phone is going to be your ATM. But of course, the banks are still going to hold custody and give you insurance. It's like the FDIC does with our checking accounts. That's going to be the same way crypto is going to be insure your money. Now, we have Wirex announces multi-currency crypto cards with MasterCard supporting that. And we're going to see this, like I said, that programmable money where you'll have on one card, the same way, of course, we have our money stored on different ledgers or whatever you have. Basically, you have a whole lot of different tokens on there, same way your card is going to be. And just by pushing a button or whatever, it's going to let you use whichever crypto you want to use. But you can clearly see this being set up. Now we have Libra appoints HSBC veteran to manage crypto project operational wing. Now we know Libra is in the background. We know Blockstream doing Bitcoin Lightning as a background. But guys, we know there are going to be forces to reckon with when they move up front. Plain and simple. We know our banks, Microsoft, all of them are tied into crypto. So we know this secret system that they're doing as far as crypto is going to be brought to the forefront. Remember, they cause a problem, they wait on the reaction, and we see the reaction. We have chaos everywhere, and then they're going to run in with the solution. And they have this all planned out for the second quarter of next year. They have it all planned, guys, and then basically we run from there. Now, basically we have, of course, this has been a big topic. The IRS is $625,000 bounty for Monero, breaking into Monero. I have people coming up to me that not even in crypto, don't care about crypto, ask about this. And that made, that antenna showed up. And guys, they do these things so people ask questions. Plain and simple. That's why they're not doing this because of breaking into Monero. They're doing this because this raises the eye on crypto. Then why is the IRS doing a $625,000? I mean, I've had plenty of people come to me that never came to me about crypto, ask about this, guys, and that's why it's done. Now we have FinCEN announces sweeping money laundering regulation overhaul. Guys, we know that what our banks are, the biggest gun running, money laundering, drug running there is. So we know FinCEN is about the little people. They hit the little people. They don't hit the big guys, guys. We know this. Now, Unstoppable Domain is doing something interesting. You can now send emails straight from your Ethereum address. So, of course, you don't have to own, even though in the beginning of the article says by you owning one, you don't have to actually own a Unstoppable Domain in order to do that, but that's very interesting. Now, basically, we have the Fed. Of course, I did a video on this. The Fed expressed they're going to be at near zero interest rates until 2023. Is this correct, guys? No, it's not. No, it is not. Guys, remember, once we move over to this digital economy, remember the dollar and all that is already digital anyway. But once we fully move over to this digital and crypto tokenized economy, they'll be able to raise rates. But definitely it's not going to be until 2023. I don't even see us getting into the middle of 2021. Because basically once that election happens, they have 4 years to do whatever they want to do. And do not forget about that. The whole tune will change, believe me. Now we have Oracle and TikTok deal, guys. It has been done. Of course, Trump is going to speak about it. But we have Walmart doing what? It's going to be on the board. Now we know Oracle, what happened with Oracle at the beginning. Their first client was who? That's right, the CIA. The cloud, guys. The cloud. Don't forget about that, guys. So basically, that's all they want is your data. Because what? We are creatures of habit. If I know what you're doing, I can put up in that cloud and control you. Control your habits. Know what you're going to buy before you even buy it, guys. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book, the stocks. Like I said, the stock channel is going to come up tomorrow. Basically, you have your chip stocks, cobalt, gaming, banking stocks. And of course, I get to get into that deep in detail on the stock channel. That's the reason why I'm doing the stock channel. Basically, so I can get in deep in detail on these stocks, how they're going to move, how you can read different things. So then therefore you can understand it. That's what it's about. This channel is going to be more educational than anything. So then therefore you know the direction you can invest in. So therefore you can go take my information and go do your own research. So then therefore you know, okay, I know where this is headed. All this is free, guys. Not selling any classes. Ain't what I'm doing here. I'm giving you all this information free of charge. Now with the Patreon, I might sneak, a few things in there. going over dividend stocks and things like that, I'll put that in there because that's easy money for you to get. And of course, if I have any, up-to-date news where I see that it's going to be a big move, then of course I throw it in the Patreon, so therefore you can make that easy money. Thank you a lot for that support. But then also, guys, we have at home stocks. Don't forget about that. At home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks, like I said, I'll be able to get in detail with that, the dividend. Of course, you have a lot of these biotech stocks that give dividends. We need to get into deep detail with that. But as I said, all that will be on the stock channel. Then, of course, while everybody's sitting at home, getting on the free money and waiting on the free money, what are they doing? What? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And again, on the stock channel, I'll be able to get in detail on those weed stocks. So therefore, you can get ready, because basically they have laws that are going to be being passed that's going to move these weed stocks into the forefront. So therefore, you can make easy money. But guys, that's all I have for you, and you have a wonderful day.